Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Dude, you're attacking me, bro. You're licking me to death, bro. Where you going, bro? Come back. Come here. Come here, bro. You like this, huh? You like that shit, huh? Get you some of this. Get you some of this, huh? Get you some of this, little hot dog. Little hot dog. Bring the dolly. Come on. Oh my gosh, he's doing too much. Hey man, it's okay, come on! Oh my god, this guy.
Do you do cash or what do you want?
Cash is fine. Okay! I mean, you're doing too much, just bring the dolly, let's go! Just bring the dolly and let's go.
I couldn't hear you.
Come on, man, hurry up. It's right here.
Is it?
Yeah, he's got a big door opening. You get the dolly, we'll let it out. He's got a cute little dog. Come here. Check this. Come on.
You talking to me, motherfucker? I'm working.
Oh, that's cool. Baby. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, this is taking forever.
Bro, you act like we're just gonna throw it on here. Look at the fucking bed on the back of it.
Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Look at the dog. Come here.
I don't know.
Oh, you're a gamer or something, aren't you? Oh, come on, man.
Does it got food in it?
No.
It was an encouraged meeting, so.
Ready, Maddie? You got gloves. 1, 2, 3. Up.